In this video, we're going to show you how to create high quality videos on your mobile phone. Coming right up. This is what most people think about when they think of videos recorded on their mobile phone. Bad sound, bad lighting, and it's never stabilized quite like you'd like it to be. That's why when you're starting out, we encourage you to film outside. Use the natural light to light your videos and make them look good when you're just using your mobile phone. If you use good light, suddenly the quality of your video looks so much better. Most people don't have access to a fancy studio and expensive lighting. Sound is the most important part of your video. It even trumps video quality. This is the sound from our VideoMic Go. Compare that to the sound of your iPhone. Now you can hear the difference and how much more crisp it is when you use an external microphone. If you want to get a bit more technical and get yourself an external microphone, we'll leave you a link in the description below to a few inexpensive microphones that can get you started. If you want to film while walking or moving, you'll need to get something to stabilize the camera so you don't get any shaky footage. You can get an expensive gimbal or a really cheap, easy to use Steadicam. That'll do the job. I'll leave a link to a few of these in the description below. You can also get quick edits for your YouTube videos done on your phone. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to edit footage on your phone and upload it to YouTube. We prefer to do most of our edits on our laptop, but we have edited a few of our videos on our iPhone and uploaded them to YouTube straight from our phone. We do this when we're on the move and we really need to get a timely video up on YouTube. If you currently use your phone to create videos for YouTube, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we show you how to edit your footage on your iPhone and upload it to YouTube.